పెట్టిండు సెట్
నా ఫోన్ లో కూడా రికార్డ్ చేస్తా వాడికి రాకపోతే లైట్
నీ రెండు ఫోన్స్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తారా
Two batsmen, one batsman to one of the best batsmen.
కెమెరా ఇట్రా అట్లా బయటకు పెట్టావు
మళ్ళా హెల్మెట్ చిన్నగా ఉందా
రెడీ
సెకండ్ బాల్ మీ రెడీ
వాడు ఎట్లయినా ఇక్కడ దాకా కొట్టాడు
Who's that matter? He's wrong.
నికల్ బాల్ బాల్
Whose ball is this?
మైన్ అయితే
నికాల్ పోయి
దట్ బాల్ ఇస్ మైన్
ఏ వెయిట్ టేక్ దిస్
రెడ్ నా
ఏయ్ సి పేస్ట్
రెడ్ నాకు అగస్త్య ఏమో సంకన
వార్మ్ అప్ బౌలింగ్
బాయ్
వార్మ్ అప్
You think we don't know?
Right, give that ball.
తిరగడా
Ritvik, your ball. Not your ball, no? Ritvik's ball. It's not your ball.
You still have that new ball of signed Jonty Roja? You did not use it till now.
Why will I use
అరే
it?
why the hell will you use it అరే పిచ్చోడా
वो ball
Give
चूतिया.
the ball. Give the ball. Hey, Ritvik.
ఏ గివ్ రే
Okay, I'll only bowl in the middle.
యా వెరీ గుడ్ వన్ యు థింక్ ఐ కాంట్ డాజ్
Where is it?
హియర్
Give it. Ritvik, your ball, na?
యా
he didn't make a difference there
वो अच्छा आदत नहीं है फरहान
nowadays
ये देख बोल रहे तो भी फिर वहाँ पर
लास्ट बॉल
आदत हो गया जी नहीं
आदत हो गया जी क्या करे जी
वो अच्छा आदत नहीं है
अब ऋतिक ज्यादा हो रहा मेरा छोड़
Captain is moaning.
या
Captain is goody.
Oh.
Hello.
Captain and
Over.
captain and temporary captain, which is other, are gooning together. Yeah, you don't expect this from you both.
Over.
I thought you'd make
hey
four in the four balls in it.
Over है
Four balls in it. Four balls.
भाई तू मैथ फेल हुआ पास हुआ जरा बताओ मियां
అగస్త్య రెండు బాల్ వేసిండు ఆల్రెడీ దీనికి ముందు
Oh, arre! What a kocha player.
ఏ నైస్ బాల్ రే వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ రే
How did
అరే
he get out?
he never ball to you with full potential also relieve that
अरे बॉल भीग रहा पागल I said
Give it to my hand.
कुत्ते
when the
Water
ball
is water.
there,
That's swing, huh?
let's swing it you can't swing it.
Oh, beauty, bro.
Ray, excellent ball.
Oh, अरे the ball only मिला कमर से. What?
इधर भी भीग रहा है पागल
Coming too slow. अच्छा.
also what is fast
अरे राटले.
వస్తుంది kept it outside also dumb. Oh, good ball, Ray. That kept it line across. Good ball.
Swing queen it's him.
what is he swing transgender no why what he swing third gender
And you're swing pregnant. That's Agastya.
Oh. Oh, plate.
అన్న చూపి
ఏమైంది
చూపి అన్న
రే
పక్కా దివ్య you won Divyan's spot crazy
no ball
huh but when you found it's not no ball Ray. What
hey,
you fought
hey भैया
you won the area fought
Whose hands Ray for us?
Okay,
Not even
yeah.
kidding.
How did I hit it?
I literally
You won
jumped
Divyan.
here.
How are you not in there?
अरे dumbo
It's in Divyan's spot yesterday.
I have a recording also if you want I'll send
Picture.
I recorded their fight
Really?
yeah
Yeah.
Who for who? Who's
this
fight?
is for his friend
Yeah.
My fighter.
Bad yours.
Oh, shot Ray Ritvik.
Not out.
Oh, not
That's
out. One or two.
did we get
That's out.
Middle అయింది అందుకే 1 or 2.
అందుకే అవుట్
Middle. Adi middle.
Hey, my ball.
ఆ బ్యాట్ లో వెయిట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది మిడిల్ అంటుండు
Me and Divyan's spot.
Yeah, he and Divyan.
In the bed.
No, you fought. Labala.
Orre!
Labal.
ठीक है बैट्समैन है
Now this one is Labal, mine.
What? That is a pad ki
Hey, you didn't come with Jaya yesterday. What were you doing?
I went out. First we went to match. Why? What happened yesterday? What happened?
That's why chance
How did it?
out is also there, but
How
in
did
middle,
other
that's
one
why.
Divya?
Hey, Leza.
They both first
Who
Divyansh
broke the bat like this, Ray? Who is that motherfucker?
I'm a mother.
Really, what happened? I'll tell you.
Anyways, the ball's not gonna come.
You wanted to walk out and show full style, rather.
He's trying to copy MS Dhoni.
Okay, tell her. Actually, MS Dhoni does
But no, but he's trying to copy, but no comparison.
Emotionally doesn't even trust that.
So as usual, Divyansh.
No, he comes on that,
We did not
he
want
steps
him.
out and
So
does
we took
that,
him in
but
the-
he does it very perfectly, not like this guy.
Out. You advanced when you played a back foot punch in nigger.
Allahu Akbar.
What is the definition of? Don't know what
Tell
to
me
do
what
next.
happened. What fight?
You're not waiting now. Let Farhan bowl for some time, then I'll tell you.
Shadows.
Farhan, 8 4.
Okay.
Not I'll tell you. So basically, what happened was as usual, Divyansh and other were in one team. We did not want him. So
Can
when
you also-
Divyansh went to striker, he did
I
opening
say how many
bowling.
balls you bowled?
He did 6 overs bowling in first innings and he didn't give other 1 over also. Then till that time other did not say anything. But then I provoked other saying he's not giving you a single over because we wanted runs. We wanted few quick runs, that's why we wanted him to bowl. But then the other got mad and he scolded Divyansh. Like he said, Modda Guru. Then after that, after he said, Divyansh got mad and he started pushing him on the net. Then after that, they started kicking each other. Then after that,
You rendition కదా ఈ ఓవర్లో
Okateshna.
Accommodation.
Then after that, after they threw each other on that thing, they went on to the bed in the Shadja. I'm kidding. But here only, the other took the stump and he started hitting Divyansh hardly. And then Divyansh was like, overreaction to Jayapu. And then other started scolding him again, saying, "You're the continuously."
because there's no use of
Then
taking
after that, I stopped them. Even I wanted some entertainment. Oh, all excellent plumb in front that is. Hey! Hey! It is a top of your bat with plumb in front that's pitching out in the
That's plumb.
Why do you fight with Divyansh?
Maybe umpire call.
Why do you fight with Divyansh?
Can't hear your words, mate. You were telling before the over.
What did he say?
He came, come take my.
He said,
Yeah, while you was going.
Get my wicket. What's it? What's it?
Ball! Farhan, ball. Mine only. No, mine only.
There's nothing to see in the batting. So I was jumping only. Circus बना दिया batting.
ఇప్పుడు షార్ట్ కొడితే నీకు పని అయిపోతుంది షార్ట్ ఎందుకు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తలేవు రిత్విక్ షార్ట్ ని 4 కి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటే నువ్వు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే అసలు
No,
కంప్లీట్
he- the
చేస్తావు
only thing he'll
యు ఆర్
complete-
జంపింగ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ నౌ మైండ్
Can't play.
నౌ మైండ్ రిత్విక్ వై ఆర్ యు జంపింగ్ ఫర్ ద ఫుల్ షాట్
అంతేగా సర్కస్ అది సారీ
Latu.
Today I want to see Farhan.
You want to say everyone fight?
oof scared
Yesterday I bowled Beamer and that
Yesterday.
waste wicket keeper.
Yesterday?
18 buys in my over.
who's when they
Yesterday when I went for
keeper
match.
Advait
Sports and Spark
Yeah, from Akshad guy.
oh Akshara that fat ass
Akshad is
Out.
not. I think he's high performance. Full waste wicket keeper.
Labal.
15
Oscars ఉంటే
Remember
catch
get him out.
Advance bowler.
Farhan
That guy is full
ఏ ఫరాన్
100 runs.
డాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే క్యాచ్
If everybody's like you have to go to our how do you get out and overreaction.
You got anyone's wicket, I know.
I got their main batsman, but got the point 38 over. I got the wicket. 150 was complete.
Who won the match?
I
By how
hit
many
the
runs?
second last winning runs.
Oh.
My strike rate is more than others' whole career
You know,
combined.
I played final match, okay? They got
Really?
100.
हाँ,
I got
100
you
strike
first ball
rate.
out.
How रे?
in 20 overs match, they got me
अबे,
on
अरे,
18th
no,
over.
no, no.
five down.
एक बॉल में एक
As
रन
far
निकाला
as
उसने 100
19,
strike.
18 overs.
Zero not out.
Wow,
19,
bro, 100
90.
strike rate, that too not
So
out.
what I was doing? I went, started rotating. I hit a boundary. So pressure gaya. But the other end, you know who was there?
ఏం సరిగ్గా ఆడతలేడు కానీ యార్కర్స్ అయితే మస్తు ఆడుతుండు.
You know who's there at the other end? Some fat
I
ass
give him
person
my
is
yard.
trying to hit a slog.
Oh, just like that.
Wasted 4 overs. Like that only.
You know, our team gets 78 extras, the other team gives 98 extras.
98
You are lying.
अरे रे,
I will show you this one.
Agastya in his whole career
Ask
also
for
didn't give those many extras रे.
Ask for run, ask for run.
Oh, good ball. Bad shot.
Ask for run. They give 98 extras.
Very bad shot.
Bro, Agastya in his whole career also didn't give those many extras.
Ask for run.
98 extras.
98
98
extras is
extras, no?
crazy, bro.
98
98 is
extras.
crazy.
No, the keepers, you know what they do? Ball's coming. Bye. Oh, under. అందుకే they keep one fine leg.
अच्छा.
Wow.
Always
That's
Kill that
why
fine leg.
98
If five
extras.
leg was not there, more than 45 4 would have gone in buy zone.
Who bowled them? You are?
Huh?
You bowled them.
No, Ray, bias is telling not wide. Outside of some bias, Ray.
I only get like
98 3 runs. अरे मतलब स्कोर कितना
You know, they
200?
gave me opening over.
last over I gave.
Opening new ball over they gave me.
नहीं स्कोर कितना 200?
I got second over wicket. First over. Okay, nice.
Are that waste wicket keeper?
Arey, arey.
See, ball came like this. It missed the wicket like this. He's like this.
ए स्कोर is
Wait, no, he did this. He's scared of the ball. He did
दिव्यांश
this.
छी धैर्य
4.
What is the team score?
स्कोर कितना था टीम का
261. 40 over.
Oh,
261.
man.
Very good strike.
And then we scored 260.
Catch.
38. It went full last. Not at all nail biting.
We went to the last over.
No, second last.
Who finished it?
That I was.
धैर्य the goat
Non-striker are you?
You went 7 down, no?
Huh?
7 down.
Last year.
calendar
Sir was like, you ball a lot to last.
So I went 5th down. Proper all round.
Already.
he is getting cooked
Or
hey you took his wicket huh you took his wicket
I took your wicket.
no his
The ball is gonna go in.
take my wicket bro
It took your entry there, that was come in front.
no that was the top of the hand
So under 13 match.
Imagine
That's why you should not play under.
We'll get more extra.
100. No, 300 extras and 300 runs. 600 in 20 hours.
600 is not possible.
Imagine Ritik's wicket keeping.
Arey, the extras was the highest scorer in both.
40 overs, huh?
Anyone scored a century?
No.
Me only.
Well, if you go score 50, you retired out and then after the whole team's batting, then you come.
Yeah.
You can't. Catch.
Good ball.
accidents. Sorry. Accidents happen.
What happened?
Mistakes happen in
Like Atar.
Hey, short played. Short అంటే played వాళ్ళు అసలు డాట్ అని అనుకుంటా కానీ played it nicely on.
Arey, if he would have moved his legs.
That's a pakka dot. Ray. No chance.
I tried to go again around the leg.
Hind leg stops it again.
Pitch
Dead.
bowling.
1 run. Deep curse.
Ray!
The water throw onto. Water ధైర్య.
The ground is good, but expensive.
I know. How much did you play?
15,000.
We went for 3.
15,000.
We went for 3.
This is internal match.
My pant
We went
almost
against
slipped off
other
your
team. Went against Sunshine.
Total 15,000.
For us free when we hit. We played against other teams.
6 hours, 15,000.
Lucky Ray.
You know, we can go to the ground if you want to play.
We got other
Honor
academy
Warriors
players
match.
into our team, you know?
Huh?
Because we were less.
Oh.
We were 8 people only going, we got 3 from other academies.
Lucky. How did you find them?
No, we had contact with other people.
Om Patel.
Like DBR. No,
Boss,
but
swing
it is
up.
placement.
Swing
Or
and
up.
miss.
Or up.
Dabal. Dabal.
Or up.
Dabal.
You ball 2, Farhan ball 2. Dhairya
Okay,
ball.
then over up. Over up, Ritvik. Wicketkeeper of the Adesh. Till when will they bat?
45.
It got turned, switched off.
Actually.
Yes. Too much heat.
No, it's not heated up. Yeah, temperature. iPhone needs to cool down.
That's why my phone is goated.
Camera, my ass, it's got it.
Camera light. ఏదో ఒకటి.
Yeah, it's recording only. Play.
Hey, stop, Redumbo! Bro, some call is coming. Bro, some call is coming.
Notification.
No, it call just came.
Arey, this is
Some
pakka.
Nitish something. Arey, because the call came, I opened it, Redumbo.
Gore.
Nitish Reddy. Nitish Reddy.
Nitish 87A.
That was pakka wicket, Ray. He won't accept it.
I said
Okay, I'll bat.
No, hurt.
Then go and bat, Ray.
Go.
Eh, chatta.
Out.
I said not out.
You said it after you nicked it. Yes.
Out.
And there's no not counts in solos.
అవుటే లేదా నీకు వికెట్ వాడికి కాదు అంతే.
Bro, you tapped and you're looking up also. Why are you waiting for the recording?
ఏ పెట్టకరా తీసి భరత్ పంపిస్తాయని. स्वीपिंग ए यू नो द स्वीपर सा हमारा अपार्टमेंट का.
Ball, no? Agastya. You know.
Bro, my shoe. I don't know what happened today, but
ఆయన్లే
వాటర్ ఆగినాయి అగస్ట్యా వాటర్ ఆగింది
ah,
చెప్పిన వాళ్ళకి వాటర్ ఆగి అగస్ట్యా వాటర్ ఆపమని చెప్తున్నాను
3 balls after this.
or after this.
బాల్ అగస్ట్యా అలా ఆగి బాల్
Wow, 4.
ఏ
होरा
And keep it. Fine leg. Fine leg is this side. Who are you? Couldn't- Oh, sorry, third man. My bad.
Eh,
Hey, Dairya, give it to him. My bad. Give My it to bad,
Ah.
my him. bad. Sorry.
ధైర్య ధైర్య
Bro, what is Farhan showing me, bro?
ఫైన్ లెగ్ ఇస్ దిస్
Bro, Farhan, the camera is capturing that only. It zoomed in also automatically.
no ए अगेंस्ट फाइनल इज दैट थर्ड वन इज दैट साइड
वो जाएगा ही नहीं
फॉर लेफ्टी यू आर लेफ्टी हां और इज दैट गाय इज लेफ्टी हां.
Allah Heart attack कुछ देखो.
ए खुदा बचा ले मेरे को.
Where is fine leg? This side.
Bro, it looks like your bat is gonna bat Ray, with
उधर
that.
थर्ड मैन है.
Your bat ain't gonna bat also. Your pad is
Here
gonna bat.
here this side.
This is what happens when you're too focused on girls, Ray, the area.
The area. चूतिए है क्या? अरे that is अरे అది నా బాల్ రా. అది నా మ్యూజిక్ సిస్టమ్ రా.
ఏ వెట్టు ఫుల్.
బారే చూడండి రా బాబు ప్లీజ్.
చూడు ఎంత వెట్టు అయిపోయింది.
Other me
వేరే బాల్ తీసుకో వేరే బాల్ తీసుకో
ఒకసారి
ఆవ్ నా దాంట్లో
వేరే బాల్ తీసుకో.
ఏం కాదు మంచిగానే ఉంది.
వద్దొద్దు అది ఉండని అది ఉన్నది ఒకటి నా దగ్గర.
No, we'll rub it రేగి.
యా ఓ గుడ్ ఉంది.
Asshole area. You are you are carving my ball.
You're getting smashed. Kharabing. Daira, you're getting smashed. Smashed up. That smashed up.
अरे I smacked him one ball रे बेचारा.
One ball also you didn't hit me, Ray.
Here.
That cover side, that full toss, that one.
Yeah.
Now, today or what?
Today only. Before this also I smacked you for a sixer. Leave it.
When?
हाँ when ना
पाता है
real ground. In real ground you play.
Okay.
Ray.
How many meters was the ground?
Ray, you lefty.
ये नहीं है
Excellent ball, but well played.
6.
How many meters?
Last ball, huh?
Huh?
Last 2 balls, huh?
Huh?
You're taking rest?
Yes. For you.
Huh?
For you.
For me, yeah.
I don't wanna bowl to him. I don't feel like bowling to him.
Daria is a very good bowler for you.
Oh, that's
Get
kid.
the ball before it goes in the wet.
One over up.
Labal.
You hit 4 runs of Daria now.
Yeah.
Third slip.
Atharv has more edges than.
Manam Joe, not in Australia, Ray. In Australia, that's Pakka catch, but here, no chance.
No, that kept low. That's something. This is low.
Daria already bowled, I'll bowl 4. You and other are the main batters.
What with Athar
Played,
battles?
but
Yeah.
it's not.
It's not even a rivalry. It's bullying.
Dot ball.
Yeah.
Fine leg inside dot, fine leg outside one.
It's not even a rivalry.
ऋत्विक की मध्य में बैठता
Dot.
Look who's talking.
Your bitch face. I'll bowl 3, Daria will bowl 1. Dot. Stop.
Bye.
Ball. Daria, are you bitch?
No ball.
Oh.
No ball.
Beaten on the pads.
Last 7 minutes.
Thala. I will say thala. Entra. Ball cheyura. No ball. Last
Done.
ball.
Ball lapper. Daria bitch.
What's the spelling of you, Ray?
You.
EW Manod was. EU Ray Dumbo.
Excellent ball, correct ball.
Try harder, bro. Huh? Erida put this.
Excellent bowling. Nothing short of wonderful.
Everything short of wonderful.
I swear, if he
everything is
smacks it
disaster.
on my face, Anna. Oh, excellent ball. He's unable to read the spin.
When could he?
What? We bowled so many to you. We bowled 5 till now. 2 more.
No, he has 1
We bowled 5 each, Ray Dumbo. 15 overs.
We bowled 6 to him.
Yeah, wait a minute. That's why I have 2 more over.
No. If he has 1 now, you'll also have 1 now.
No.
Oh, yeah. He went first. Okay, go.
You lumpy kid.
Last over, Athar.
Bye, Athar. Don't come back.
What is the time?
Haran, don't be
That's my
sad.
phone.
Don't be sad if there are edges.
Anna. Anna.
Bhaiya.
Time.
Time. 11:54. 6 minutes.
Haran, don't be sad if there are edges.
Even I've got many edges, but my edges are normal. Understandable. Oh, nice.
Played.
Hey, Farhan, like very less he gets edge.
Ooh.
Farhan.
Yes, when he gets touched, it's from the leg stump only. That's the only time
No,
he
off
gets touched.
time very rarely
Shake
he gets
Mohammed.
edge. That too in my spin.
Oh my god, Ray. Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see
First
the
ball only ball.
అమ్మా అరే
Yeah, so anyone can see him doing like this slow event.
You didn't tell Ray, you didn't mention him.
he did tell me also.
Fine, my satisfaction I got.
He told you spin. He said spin. Remember, he told you.
Told to you.
He didn't tell me.
Told you.
You told me, yeah?
Third person Sikro English.
Right, you got to get that, that's it.
Sheikh.
Muhammad Sheikh
Sheikh Mohammed.
Sheikh Mohammed Farhan.
Muhammad Farhan Quraishi.
Sheikh Mohammed.
Hey, your general category, yeah?
Ah.
OC. Wow. Even the drawing cash of our
Excuses.
I need 90% in session 1 if I have to get good college. In session 2 also.
What the
Same
hell
applies
is
to you
session
also.
one? What the hell is
Arey,
session
arey.
one?
J,
No.
mains.
Oh, sure. I played
After
Ray.
2 sessions, okay? First
Bro,
session.
almost died, bro.
You have 2 sessions of JEE, session 1 and session 2.
Okay, mains and
Mains
Again,
and
he put on his story, ra. Oh, I got hit, but then
Session
I.
1 means math, session 2 physics,
this-
chemistry, like that.
No, no, no. There are only 3 subjects.
These are
Physics,
based on
chemistry
caste
and
tree, basically.
maths.
Adanko.
Bro,
These
but
are
Farhan,
entrance
for you
exams
won't
for
have any
IIT
cash,
and
na?
NIT college.
We have
Huh?
many.
Oh yeah, you should be in general.
Yeah, general.
Yeah, we are general category. I am Reddy's, this guy is Sheikh Mohammed. What about you?
No Reddy, ah.
Already.
I am Brahmin.
What about Dhairya?
Area.
Short played 4.
Gujarati.
Hey, what are you, Ray Dhairya? Vaisha? Huh? Vaisha? I knew it, bro. I could tell.
Ah, smart bird.
See face, ah?
Yeah,
Racist
he's
Agastya.
white, bro. He's white.
Racist
And he's
Agastya.
from Gujarat, means you can understand.
You are also white
Hi,
Agastya.
Agastya.
So what? I came from
Agastya.
UK.
There is no...
Hey.
Agastya, you are also white then.
Yes, so that was because I was brought up in UK and because of the climate there it's like that. But Dhairya is white. Dhairya,
I'm a bit tan.
I am also old. I am also...
bro, you're proper Indian brown.
Hey,
Ray,
no,
Ritik
I'm
Chakrabarti.
tan.
You
Arey,
are.
Bro,
Hey, I don't
okay,
need
I'll
to hear
show you my
anything.
original skin color, bro. Wait.
Oh, oh.
Bro, broke a card.
Okay, I saw the ball. Where it went.
Okay, bro broke a card.
I saw.
Look at the card.
Hellinga, bat down.
Pat down.
Hey, if anyone asks his other.
I'm also not all Dhairya. Dhairya, it's you, Re.
Why not you like
I swear it is not come, Re. ఒకసారి ల్యాబ్ బాల్ వేస్తాను బ్యాడప్ అవుతాం యో అల్బోల్ ల్యాబ్ బాల్ అని
Look at the clips, Ray.
అరే ఐ థింక్ దిస్ డి నాట్ కమ్ ఇట్ కేమ్ టెంపరేచర్
My bowl is.
ఏ పానీ
Okay, nice.
లే నర్రు
No! Look at that hole. Ray. It's blur. Hey, look at that hole.
Hey, what the hell?
ఐ ఆల్రెడీ సా
How did that?
ఓల్ని ఒకసారి చూడు అక్కడ
చాలా పెద్ద హోల్ ఉంటుంది.
ఏడ హోల్
నేనైతే చెప్పేస్తా అంతవరకు కొట్టిందని
వద్దనా
చెప్పేస్తా నువ్వే చెప్పించి ఇవ్వాలి వాళ్ళకి
అన్న చెప్పడం అవసరం లేదు
నేనైతే చెప్పేస్తా అంతవరకు కొట్టినా ఏ రష్యా నేనైతే చెప్పేస్తా నువ్వు బిగ్ గన్కి కాల్ చేసి పిలుస్తా కింద అందరి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి తీసుకుపోవని ఏం చెప్తావు రష్యా చెప్పు నువ్వుతో చెప్పు ఆ? అదే
అరే అన్న మనం కూడా ఏం చేయలేము ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ వాళ్ళు సొట్ట పెట్టిండ్రు అసలు ఈ నెక్స్ట్ లో సొట్టలు వాళ్ళు మెయింటెనెన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఇది ఒక కమ్యూనిటీ కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ప్రతిసారి మెయింటెనెన్స్ చేయాలి ఇట్లా బొక్కలు పెడుతూ ఉంటే బయటికి వెళ్తాయి
अरे हाथ निकाल रहे भाई उसमें से वो कैमरा तेरे को ही देखता
How is it our fault? They kept told them to.
The last did not come. It did not.
Probably overheated.
One hour, you goal 1 hour. Farhan, pad up. Hey, take less time. I'll goal 1 hour.
One bar is chilling, you take a lot.
Yesterday I got tied up in like 2 minutes. Should actually pad up fast.
That was a good shot.
Should I pad up fast?
3, 2, 1, go.
It's not going.
After was getting the fix. Yeah, one more car is coming.
Straight to mid wicket.
Wait, 3 balls are one more car.
गया फराना
Connect Gala, sir.
Not a catch.
What balls are plateau? Four. Four-ish now. You played 3 full shots till now and 1 now. First ball out.
One first ball.
Lab ball of the over. Oh! Banana swing. Done over.
Ball.
Man. Crazy banana swing boy.
करूँ
Hmm.
वो करूँ नहीं काइट सच कर लेगा
Done.
You should record for me. Or...
ఏంటి
ఇవాళ తెచ్చుకుంటా
There.
Take gloves.
My over didn't even start, bro. I'm that fast.
Oh, excellent. Beauty.
అమ్మా ఐఎమ్ లక్కీ రిత్విక్ కెప్ట్ హిస్ ఫోన్ లాస్ట్ 2 షాట్స్ పేమెంట్
Very, they can't even tell us anything. Who told them to park the car?
Yes, and first things first, there's holes. It's not our problem.
This nets are for leather ball. If you tell us,
Shot.
if you tell us to play tennis ball, here's
There. It's at the back.
Recording it too.
ఆ ఫోన్ తీసేయి నాది ఆడబెట్టు
Ritik, you record on yours also. We also want 2 recordings.
ఈ ఫస్ట్ వాడిది తీసేసినాక పెట్టు పట్టుకో అరే వద్దా నీ ఇట్లా బాగా వస్తలేదు వాడు తీసేసినాక పెట్టు నీకే పెట్టు
ఇద్దరు రికార్డింగ్ కావాలి మాకు.
అది ఇద్దరు రికార్డింగ్ మీ ఇద్దరిది ఒకటే దాంట్లో వస్తుంది అదే బెటర్ రెండు సపరేట్గా పంపించడం కంటే ఎట్లయినా ఒకటే ఇద్దరివి రికార్డ్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి ఒకళ్ళు ఏమో ఆపం కదా అందుకే హెల్మెట్లో పెట్టకుండా ఈడ అయిపోతుంది స్టాండ్ నుంచి తీసేసి
We bowled literally so many overs. Right? Dara, you'll bat or no? Are you dumb? You could have brought your bat at least today, na?
I get everything. Spin. Spin.
ఆడే తక్కువ
Ah!
Hit it you.
Great, it is joint part, Ray. Ah.
What happened?
ఏం ఫోటో తీస్తా చూడు నువ్వు.
Lucky I am body part.
Are you
full.
okay?
Yes.
Please don't delete it. Don't
I'm
delete
deleting
it. No, please.
Hey, no, what?
I want to see. I want to set photographic skills, bro. Look at the photo.
నాది కూడా తీయట
నువ్వు బ్యాటింగ్ ఆడు.
ఐ వాంట్ టు కీప్ దట్ యాజ్ మై ప్రొఫైల్
ఏ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఫోటో?
టీవీ పెట్టుకుంటాడు
నేనే తీసిన. థ్యాంక్స్ అని చెప్పు.
నా క్లిప్స్ పంపిస్తున్నా ఫోటో పంపి లేకుంటే నువ్వు పంపించినప్పుడు బాగుండదు చూడు
నాకు పంపించుకుంటున్నావు.
నీకు పంపించుకో వాడికి పంపి
Water ఉంటే ఏమన్నా please.
హెల్మెట్ తీ ఫాస్ట్ హెల్మెట్.
అరే గో గెట్ వాటర్ రే ప్లీజ్.
ఏ పంపియకు
ఏ ఐల్ సెండ్ పక్కా ఐల్ సెండ్ రికార్డింగ్
ఫస్ట్ ఇది చూడు బ్యాడ్ చూడు నీ హార్ట్ నీ కాల్ చూడు
పంపిరా I'll send you a recording
Delete
within,
it.
I will send you a recording within 30 minutes. Send it right now. I'll give hotspot.
ఐ హావ్ దే
అట్లా తీయాలి ఫోటో అంటే
ఏమన్నా ఫోటో వచ్చిందిరా అసలు.
గో ఫరాన్.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్
ఫరాన్ స్ప్రే
Agustya, I think he's on bad.
క్రీమ్ ఉంది చాలా